Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my Ipsy GLAM unboxing, unbagging, because it's really a bag. Anyways, Ipsy is a monthly subscription where you pay $10 and you get a bag with sample size or full size product, beauty items. So you go on the site and you fill out your preference, your preference items, and based off of the preference they set up a bag for you and send it to you every month, and it's for $10. You understand? Yeah, follow me? Yeah, follow me? So this is actually my second bag. The first one I did an unboxing. I didn't love it and I got it too late. It was late in the month and the video I didn't like, so this is my second time filming this unboxing. It comes in this bag. I already opened it because you know. And in the bag you get this card, which is the theme for the month, and the theme for the month is Rock Scarlet. This is not really useful. You just study things on the Ipsy app. I'm going to show you last month's bag. Hold on. This is last month's bag. The theme was Halloween, as you probably could tell. The theme was Halloween. Yeah. Anyways, this is this month's bag. Smaller. So the first thing I saw in the bag was this False Eyes to Go 6 color eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. It looked like this. I'm sure this is a sample size. Let me open it. I know what's in the bag, but I didn't open them. So it looks like this. I've got my handicap fingernail. Comes with this brush. I mean, who uses these? And 6 full shadows. Let me do some swatches. I like this one and I like this one. Let me see. I like this too. But yeah. And the next thing in the bag is the Professional from Benefit. It's a sample size. Looks like this. That's it. I actually wanted to try this out and see if it helps, because my pores are, I don't know if you can see, but I have some large pores. I have some huge pores. So hopefully this helps, and if I like it, I'm going to buy the full size. I can take it out. It's very tiny, but here it is. It says Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores. This helps. Hopefully I like it, because I really wanted to try it out, you know. Next thing in the bag is this Formula X nail polish, I'm assuming. It's so small. The bag last month wasn't all sample size. I got 2 full size items in last month's bag, but this like is, it's bare sample size. So it's nail polish. It looks kind of bluish, grayish, green. Does that make any sense? I don't know how to describe this color. The color is Huntress. And I got this Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Serum. I think the brand is Hey Honey. It's a facial serum. It says apply daily by itself under the eyes or as a night cream. Excellent when used under makeup, providing a smooth and glossy appearance to the skin. And the last thing in the bag is Icon London Skinny Eyeliner. It's just small. Ow. Size. By the way, I'm watching SpongeBob, so if you hear it, that's SpongeBob. So that makes both months I got 2 eyeliner, because last month I got this eyeliner in my bag, in my Ipsy bag, and this week I got this. So sometimes you get samples, sometimes you get full size, so you see. But this month was all sample sizes. It says Icon London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black, precise, smudge proof, pitch black. It's black, I mean it's eyeliner. And that's it for my bag. You either get 4 to 5 different items, sample or full items. So yeah, that's it for this video. I don't do these type of videos more, like reviewing and unboxing. Let me know if you like these type of videos. So yeah, I'll see you next month for my December Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. I don't know what I call it yet. It's a bag, so I guess I'm unbagging. Unboxing, whatever. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, guys.